Washington, D.C. follows a modified, no-fault approach to car accidents. If you suffered injuries in a car accident, your auto insurance should cover your medical bills and lost income, regardless of who caused the accident. However, in some situations, you may file a legal claim against the other driver or drivers involved in the crash whose negligence caused it to happen, or the at-fault drivers. It can be highly stressful for many people to figure out how the no-fault system works after a car accident and deal with insurance companies. Some jurisdictions operate under comparative negligence or modified comparative negligence laws. Under those laws, you can recover compensation for your injuries even if you share some fault in a car accident. Washington, D.C. is not one of those jurisdictions. Washington, D.C. has one of the strictest liability laws in the country, the contributory negligence rule. Unlike a comparative negligence law, you cannot recover compensation even if you are only 1% at fault for an accident. For example, if a driver rear-ends your vehicle, but you had changed lanes without signaling just before the collision occurred, the insurance company might argue that you share some blame to evade financial responsibility. This strict rule often gives insurers some leverage to deny claims, making it essential to have an aggressive legal advocate to build a strong case for you when fault is determined in an auto accident. If you fail to file a claim before the deadline, you may forfeit your right to pursue car accident damages through a personal injury lawsuit. So, it is crucial to seek legal help as soon as possible after you suffer injuries in a crash. Marks & Harrison has fought for car accident victims in the Washington, D.C. area for more than 100 years and recovered millions of dollars in compensation for our clients. Our attorneys, many of whom have worked for insurance companies, know how to use their insider knowledge to counter common tactics and pursue fair outcomes for our clients. If you were hurt in a car accident in Washington, D.C., call 888-717-0658 or visit marksandharrison.com for a free consultation.